This is a really good deal for you. I got the Craftsman days. These are new lower prices. Buy one, get one free. So don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for the most latest and greatest deals. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So that one's on clearance. This one's on clearance as well. It ain't ramp kit, $6 already sold out on that one. And then we got aluminum folding ramps, 42 for 168. You got a clear safety glasses, 15 down from 19.98. And then guys, I'm not gonna show you guys all of them, but there's a whole bunch of stoves, appliances. You guys got rental properties, you want to get an extra one, fridge, an extra stove for your house. Hey, there you go, because they are on clearance, guys. They're more than 50% off, at least in my stores. All right, so they got these vacuums. These are LG cordless vacuums, $396 down from $599. $200 on that one. You got a foam cannon, $992 down from $39. Now I don't know how well this brand works with foam cannons, but for the rest of the power tools that they make pretty decent power tools. Stabilizer knee pads, $22 down from $49. That's actually not bad. Really nice knee pads. Got another foam cleaner from the Craftsman, $20 down from $29. Now this one looks a little cheaper than the other one, so I don't know. Craftsman V20 Edger, Bear Tool, $116. That's what it looks like. And then $161 was $179 for this string trimmer from the Eagle. You got an Edger, 12 amp hour or 12 amp Edger 125. So not too bad. Guys, these are new lower prices. I don't know if they're going to be clearancing these out, but they're $79.99. Yeah, they're a couple $1,000s off on that one. So yeah, it's pretty good deals on those. And then we got 52 down from 17 for the John Deere oil filter. And then you got the oil for $8. You got the Greenworks soap applicator. This one's $7.49 from $29.98. You got this hitch pin, $6.37 down from $15. You got the replacement grates, $9.92. You got a chainsaw here from $109 down from $129 on clearance, Cobalt. It is corded, so. We got the Cobalt 40 volts 300 watt power inverter, $69. That's just the tag. And then they got these really nice boxes. You guys can sell or give them as gifts for under $20. That's pretty good. You put personal tools and, you know, for a child, your son or nephew, whatnot. All right, you got talking about EV vehicles. We got these on clearance, $374 down from $499. You got the Tesla one, the Tesla adapter for $149. These are actually pretty dang good prices. That's a level 2 charger. So that is going to be a 220 volts. So kind of a little faster than your 110. All right, so you got the Cobalt. You got them utility knives. $14.98 for them for some gloves. Pretty decent gloves. And then you got anti-fog premium safety glasses, $19.98. Now these deals, some of them I have seen before, but I haven't showed them on the channel, and the rest of them, like this one, these are pretty new. So $19.98 for the levels. That's the bigger level, 48-inch. And then they got the smaller one. You got some job site markers for $6.98. Color or all black, depending on what you need. You got some scissors or some shears, $14.98. Same thing with this hammer, really nice hammer from the Cobalts. And then you got a 3-pack of utility knives, $19.98. All right, clearance, guys, 135 piece mechanics tool set, $103, guys. This is actually a pretty dang good deal. It's a big set. You got a brake bleeder for $26 down from $34 for the Craftsman. So you guys do your own mechanic jobs. Make sure you guys pay attention to this section. You got another one. These are the extension torque sets. These are $52 up from $69. You got a 3-piece line clamp pliers, $14. Then you got some more universal adapters and extensions here. $23 for the 3-piece. And then we got another one, 1/2 inch 4-piece accessory set, $23. A 3/8 drive 4-piece extension bar set, $22.47. Check this out, guys. This vacuum, this cleaner, this pet cleaner thing for the carpet, $56 out from $212. That is crazy, guys. Now that the heat's here, I do recommend you guys get one of these for the shop if you guys work outside. Misting fan, yes, misting fan kit already with the battery and charger for $129. You got the cargo bag here for $39.98. This is fairly new and haven't seen this, at least this type of bag. Here's another new item. This is actually a power station cord reel with an extension cord. This is a 12 gauge, so it's pretty decent gauge. Does have on and off, USB Type C and USB Type A. So everything in one. Make it nice and clean to wind that extension cord. $12.47 up from $49. This is linked to the Wi-Fi router. It's already sold out. And then you got this 227 mechanics toolset for $99 from the Cobalt was $219. And then check this out. They got this adjustable hydraulic stool for $79.98. Looks pretty nice, actually. I had to flip the camera over for you guys. Some screwdrivers for $14.98. This is a 10-piece. A trim pull tool for $14.98. It's actually pretty nice if you guys doing remodels and stuff like that. That's very, very useful. There's a trim piece removal tool. You could use that for a lot of different things, not just that. And then we got a screwdriver set, 6-piece. Well, 6-in-1. $7.98 and $12.98 for the tape measure. Craftsman 25-footer. All right, buy one, get one free. So you buy any of the kits on the bottom, you get a free tool. These are brand new, guys. Yes. All right, the first one, you're going to buy that kit for $149 with the 2.4 amp hour batteries and standard charger. Or you can get that impact driver kit with the battery and charger for $149 each. And then it qualifies for a free tool. Yes, a free tool for $149. That brushless tools, that's a really, really good deal. Especially if you're in this line, DIY, even prosumer. Right, you got the circular saw there, the valued at $129. You got the fan there for $99. The radio for $129. One-handed reciprocating saw. The angle grinder, the reciprocating saw. Check out this 100-piece kit. This one's been here quite a few years, but I can't stress this enough. It does have those really hard to find security bits with the hole in the middle. Make sure you guys check those out because those are really rare to find. You got the Craftsman days, guys. $69 your choice on the first ones, and then you got $99 on your combo kits or the fan with the battery. And guys, I was talking to this cop at this store. They're putting these out like crazy in all the stores because people are grabbing the red boxes, the yellow boxes, and they're walking out with them. That's how sad this thing is. That's how sad this world is becoming. Basically, you can't grab the box and look at it from the back and, read the back. You got to call somebody. It's sad. Anyways, you got the Craftsman. Let us know in the comment section if your Home Depot or your Lowe's has gone through that. Or if you have seen anybody take boxes and run out the store. All right, got the Craftsman days. You can buy one and get one free. You buy any of the kits on the left. Those are the kits. The blower, string trimmer, or the 2 battery kit. And get a free bare tool. That's a really, really good deal on this one as well. So I would definitely stock up on those batteries. The blower is pretty decent. All right, so you got the one-handed reciprocating saw. I did have one of those. Those are pretty decent. The oscillating tool does have DeWalt DNA, so make sure you guys grab that one. That one's pretty good. You got the inflator. You got the mosquito mosquito repellent 2-piece. That's crazy. You got the ratchet. So there's a lot of good tools to choose from. This is mostly meant for the DIY guys, for somebody around the house. You got the drywall cutout tool for $79, down from $99 on clearance. It's actually a pretty nice tool. 1/2 inch 2-speed drill driver, $99, down from $149. That's for the kit. And guys, like I said, they're breaking into this store. they did have to, somebody got some pliers and cut these wires and took some batteries out. So yeah, it's getting annoying. And then this is a really good deal if you're into DeWalt and woodworking, even for job site. It's pretty good to have you doing some. You got 329 for fine finish woodworking there, down from 549. My bad, I can't talk. For the past 2 days, man, I just can't talk. 299 down from 349. Check out what Tough Build is doing. Not forget the pack. Look at this, man. They're actually putting cup holders on the corners of their toolboxes, so you can put your cup and it's built in, so it doesn't fall off. For $34.98 with the cup holder, yeah, they're putting everybody behind. This is one of the best brands to get out for the modular storage system. All right, guys, let us know in the comment section if you guys seen any deals, if you guys got any of these tools, or even if you've seen any better prices than this. Let us know in the comment section. We want to know. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, following us on TikTok, Instagram, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.